adventurers! In this video, I'll discuss the best credit cards for college students in 2022. With so many alternatives, I looked into the best cards and chose my favorite 4. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Every young adult enjoys traveling and would like to have a credit card that helps during his years as a college student. There are a lot of cards that can help you with this, but I'm sure it's a hard decision. No longer. I'm here to limit your selection of excellent cards. These cards, which I have researched, seem to be the ideal fit for you and your requirements. Now, let's hear them, shall we? Starting at number 4, we have Deserve EDU MasterCard for students. Students can get basic cashback returns, a few respectable features, and the chance to improve their credit without paying an annual fee or a deposit with the Deserve EDU MasterCard for students. Although it lacks the authority of a student card from a larger bank, it aims to be more technologically advanced and offers some of the convenience features that students may find helpful. Given that there are no application requirements for a social security number or credit history, and that there are no foreign transaction fees, the card can be a fantastic choice for international students. Pros: no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. Useful benefits like cell phone protection. It doesn't require a social security number to apply, allowing international students to qualify. No security deposit or cosigner is required. Refer a friend program. Qualify with limited or bad credit. Cons: 1% is the maximum cashback reward. Unusual welcome bonus. Higher APR. Fairly little rewards. It's great for international college students. People with a low credit score. It's not great for students who want more rewards. Rewards. You can get 1% cash back with this credit card on all of your purchases. After the deduction of returns, account fees, and interest charges, the total amount you spent is multiplied by 1% to determine your cash back after your billing period. Using your unique referral code, you can also recommend someone to Deserve and get $30 after their card has been activated. Statement credits are the preferred type of reward redemption. Once the level is reached, automated $25 reward statements are sent out. Welcome bonus. Additionally, after spending $500 throughout the first 3 payment cycles, a one-time offer of 1 year of Amazon Prime Student is included on Deserve. Annual fee, 0%. Intro APR, NA. Regular APR, 20.99% variable. Balance transfer fee. It's included in the terms. Foreign transaction fee, 0%. Credit needed. Limited/no credit, but the recommended one is 630 to 850, average, excellent. At number 3, we have Discover It Student Chrome. The Discover It Student Chrome is a great option for students who enjoy eating out because it offers generous rewards and has no FICO credit history criteria. The card has no annual charge and offers plain, easy-to-understand benefits, making it a fantastic option for students. The Discover It Chrome for Students card is a wise choice if you're searching for a straightforward student cashback credit card and don't want to stress about remembering to activate spending categories. Gas stations and restaurants, including cafes, takeout, delivery, and fast food, give you 2% cash back, which is a respectable rewards percentage for a student card. At the end of your first year, Discover's Cashback Match program will double all of your earnings. Pros: no annual fee. Intro APR period. Qualify with average credit. Bonus categories. Earn rewards while building credit. Simple cashback reward structure. Generous cashback match. Low interest APR offer on new purchases. Cons: difficult rewards. Low spending threshold for rewards with 2% cash back. Rewards are not as great as those offered by other student cards. It's great for students looking for a credit card with a straightforward reward structure, students that are seeking more substantial cash back incentives at petrol stations and restaurants. It's not great for students who spend more than $1,000 per quarter at restaurants and gas stations, students who mind manually activating spending categories. Rewards. Cashback incentives of 2% cash back at petrol stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases per quarter and 1% cash back on all other transactions. Fast food, takeout, delivery, and cafes are all considered to be restaurants. The Discover Chrome for Students card will double every cent of cash back you've accrued after your first year of card membership, so you'd receive twice as much. Rewards accumulated using the Discover It Student Chrome can be exchanged for any amount at any time. Rewards are credited to the account even if the account is closed and they never expire. Statement credits, electronic transfers to a bank account, donations to particular organizations, and redemptions for purchases at particular retailers are all possible redemption methods. Welcome bonus offer. Only from Discover, get unlimited cashback matching. At the end of your first year, Discover will automatically double all the cash back you've earned. Therefore, you could exchange $50 in cash for $100, or increase $100 to $200. There is no minimum or maximum prize amount, just a dollar-for-dollar match. Annual fee, 0%. Intro APR, 0% for 6 months. Regular APR, 15.24% to 24.24% variable APR. Balance transfer fee, 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed, fair to excellent, which is considered between 580 to 850. Coming at number 2, there is the Capital One Savor Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card offers substantial reward potential for those who fully comprehend credit cards, credit, and personal responsibility. Due to the lack of an annual fee and international transaction fees, the Capital One Savor Student Cash Returns credit card has adult cashback power and offers outstanding cashback rewards. It's a fantastic option for individuals just building their credit because it also includes a slew of beneficial advantages. Please be informed that to be eligible to apply, you must be a current student enrolled in a higher education school. Pros: generous cash reward for groceries, dining, and entertainment. Doesn't charge recurring fees. No annual fee. Lack of foreign transaction fees. Fantastic cashback bonuses. Cons: no low introductory APR. Limited bonus cashback reward categories. It's great for someone who wishes to enjoy dining and entertainment while earning substantial cashback benefits without having to pay an annual charge. Anyone who enjoys shopping abroad, since there are no import taxes. It's not great for people who don't go out a lot and don't dine out. Rewards: on qualified transactions made with the Capital One Savor Student Cash Rewards card, rewards are automatically accumulated. An unlimited 3% cash back on restaurants, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores. 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases and tickets at Vivid Seats. And 1% cash back on all other transactions. Superstores like Target and Walmart are not considered to be grocery stores. Rewards accumulated with Savor Student do not expire for the duration of the account and can be used in a variety of ways, including as cash, gift cards, Amazon.com purchases, and PayPal purchases. Through CapitalOneTravel.com, you can also use your rewards toward travel. Welcome bonus. Spend $100 and receive $100 back in the first 3 months. Annual fee 0%. Intro APR NA. Regular APR 16.49%, 26.49% variable APR. Balance transfer fee $0 at this transfer APR. Foreign transaction fee none. Credit needed average, which is considered between 630 to 689. And in first place, we have Discover It Student Cashback. With its significant cashback benefits and 0 annual charges, the Discover It Student Cashback is a unique creature among student cards. You may be able to qualify even if you have no credit history at all. The Discover It Student Cashback card is one of the best student credit cards available. The Discover It Student Cashback card can help people with weak credit histories establish credit while still giving them access to benefits like rotating cashback rewards and an introductory APR offer. It offers healthy but capped earnings in some categories of spending and an introductory APR on purchases. Above all, a card like this one can assist children in developing sensible spending practices. Pros: no annual fee. Qualify with limited or bad credit. Bonus categories: Intro APR period. Reports to the 3 major credit bureaus. High rewards on rotating spending categories. Potential for a large bonus in the first year with a cashback match. Cons: complicated rewards. Spending categories have to be manually activated. Low 1% base reward rate. 5% bonus cashback rate is limited to $1,500 per quarter in spending. It's great for students who are organized enough to activate the rotating spending categories each quarter. Students who don't have a high credit score. It's not great for students who don't want to activate the rotating spending categories each quarter or are likely to forget to do it. Rewards. With the Discover It Student Cashback card, cardholders can earn 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in recurring spending categories each quarter and unlimited 1% cash back on all other transactions. Rewards accumulated with the Discover It Student Cashback card are non-expiring and can be used as statement credits or deposits in any amount at any time. Any unused reward sums will be credited to the account when it is canceled or after 18 months of an activity. Welcome bonus. When the first year of card ownership is up, the Discover Cashback Match instantly doubles all points earned, so it would be wise to use up all of your rewards as soon as you can. Annual fee 0%. Intro APR 0% for 6 months. Regular APR 15.24% to 24.24% variable APR. Balance transfer fee 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. Foreign transaction fee none. Credit needed average, which is considered between 630 to 689. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best credit cards for college students in 2022. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Happy studies and happy credit building! I'll see you in the next video.